it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and
Beyond.
So in our last video we did the Bean Boozle challenge and this time we're going to do the
Marshmallow challenge.
again. So we're going to do the
Chubby Bunny Challenge.
Yes. Okay. So who do you think would be the winner for this one?
Me.
Who's the biggest mouth?
Me.
Me.
I'm here.
So let's see who is the winner. So let's get started. So we have our plastic in case someone puked. And of course we have tissue because someone will draw or draw. Oh my gosh, what's that? So yeah, let's get started, guys, girls. So let's do this one first, ba? So Chubby Bunny is what is Chubby Bunny all about? We put one marshmallow
in our mouth.
Okay, Baba will explain. Okay, ba? Explain ba? Okay, together with Mama. So we put one marshmallow inside our mouth, and after that we say,
Chubby Bunny.
okay. And the one who puts or has the most counting of marshmallow inside their mouth will be the winner. Okay.
And I will be the winner.
Okay. So let's get right into it and let's get started so we can see who's the winner for this challenge. So yeah. So get one ba baduday. So I know you did not get this because you drop it on the floor. So okay. One marshmallow. Chubby Bunny!
Chubby Bunny. This is so easy.
Gulaway na ko.
Okay.
You count it. How many?
Two.
Two.
Chubby
Chubby Bunny!
Chubby Bunny.
Pagsuda ba? Ini kay winner karon. Wala, sige katawa.
Ay, katawa. Di ka kakadaog.
Three.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny!
Don't swallow it, okay? Don't swallow it. Don't swallow it. If you have to puke it, puke it. Don't swallow it. Don't push it in. If
Four.
it won't fit,
Four.
don't force it. Si Baba. Balata.
Chubby Bunny!
Ay, di
Dashi, do not swallow, okay?
Chubby
Don't
Bunny!
swallow.
Ang ganda ng gasal.
How many?
Five lang. Lagi na isa.
5.
Wait, I gotta do it again.
1, 2, 3.
So that's it for this challenge. It was a very chickeny, easy peasy challenge. So I'm the winner. You said you're the winner. You said you're the winner. Baba got, so let's recap. Baba got only 3 marshmallows and Sashi got 4 marshmallows and I got 5 marshmallows.
I'm the first runner.
Yeah, third runner up because there are only 3. So that's it for this challenge, you guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this one as much as we did. Have you enjoyed? You enjoyed ba? You enjoyed ba?
No.
I don't know because they were really expecting that Sashi would be the winner and Baba would be the winner because she told me before we did this challenge that she has a very big mouth, so she proclaimed that she will be the winner as well as Sashi, but unfortunately for you girls, no. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come, and I hope to see you in my next